Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you these TAERGU safety shoes for math. Oh yeah. And they are made out of leather. Really natural leather. That's really cool. It's an S1 work shoe, SBP lightweight, and it comes with a steel cap. These are really good looking safety shoes and they make a great job. It's possible to get them in black, gray, or in beige. All Europe standard sizes are available as you like. The outer material is suede, the inner material is a cloth, the sole is a rubber sole, the closure is a lace up, and the heel type is flat. Shaft diameter is normal, shoe wide is normal, and it is not water resistant because it is S1 classified. But I think it's a little bit more than S1 because we have a spike. The shoe can protect beyond against spikes from the bottom side. A steel toe boot here is also known as a safety boot, a steel capped boot, or a steel toe caps, and of course a safety shoe itself. This is a durable boot for a shoe that has a protective reinforcement in the toe, which protects the foot from falling objects or compression. The safety shoes are effective in keeping the feet of industry workers like us safe from sharp and heavy objects while working in factories, for example. The safety footwear now comes in many styles, including sneakers, like here, because here is a really cool sneakers design. A sneaker is called a trainer, athletic shoe, a tennis shoe, a gym shoe, kicks, sports shoes, or flats, running shoes, or runners. This is a light sneaker design here, and you can wear it every day. It is not only a working shoe, but on the market, of course, on TAERGU, too, is clogs and dress shoes. Some are quite formal for a supervising engineers who must visit sites where protective footwear is mandatory. Some brands of the steel footwear have become fashionable within subcultures, such as skinhead, punk, and rivethead. But in this case here, it's only a sneaker design, so you will not get focused on this one. While brands that are previously renowned within the fashion industry have also diverted into the safety footwear market. Industry brands like Caterpillar, Rockfall, and JCP have also issued license to produce safety footwear itself. But here it comes a really cool and awesome looking TAERGU design. That because TAERGU makes really good shoes here for a really good price. And in these shoes, I am going to work, of course, but I'm going to use them on vacation in my private time too, because they are looking so fabulous. They're looking so nice, and these shoes are really wearable all day long. All day long means in a private situation and of course in a working situation too. These are the TAERGU safety shoes. These are man's leather S1 working shoes, SBP lightweight steel cap shoes, and they're looking really great and really cool, and they make a good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.